shit.
If I had a machine, it would
You'll
take
get
me
it done
20
in,
minutes.
like, 20
yeah, but I
minutes.
don't. Bro, you know how expensive those machines are? They like start at $2,000, bro.
Maybe invest in one.
It costs $2,000, dog. I don't got that kind of money. And if I did, I would not be investing in a machine, that's for sure. What? What'd you say? Come back. He said, fuck you, Goy. What a piece of shit. Bunch of drunk white people.
What the fuck, lol?
Clip that, chat. Clip that. Clip that.
Get your knife out. Out.
Clip that, chat. He said, fuck you, Goy. Oh my God.
What is a goy?